So I'm in this spreadsheet and I have a list of tools, and I want to know how can teachers use each tool. So I'm going to come up here to Ask Gemini in my sidebar, and I'm going to ask for each item in the table, create a use case for how a teacher will use this tool, specifically on how they will use it with Google Gemini. So I can see that it has created a table that is not quite right. Okay, so we can see that it has recreated the table, and it's got my user and my use case, and it filled out the whole thing. It is not unusual that it doesn't give me what I want the first time, and I need to do a little clarification, or sometimes when it tells me it can't, I'm like, yes, you can, and then it does. So I have that in there. I need to come down and click Insert to accept it. Now I already have this column that was recreated, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete that so I don't have duplicated, and it's up to you if you want to leave it in table form or revert it back to unformatted data.